Your Windows computer's display can sometimes render outside of the monitor's viewable area, also called overscaling. Now, if you're having the same problems, here's how to fix it. So for the first solution, turn off your monitor or TV, unplug the HDMI or DisplayPort cable, wait for a few seconds, then reconnect the cable. Just ensure that both the cable's connector and the port are clean for a secure connection. Next, try changing the display resolution by opening Settings, select System, choose Display, then select the correct resolution from the list. Additionally, adjust your monitor's display settings by accessing Settings, choose Display, then look for the scale settings such as Auto Adjust, Screen Feet, or the percentage on the menu. Another thing you can do is run the Display Calibration tool. To do it, search Calibrate Display Color, then select the first result and follow the on-screen prompts. But for your last fix, run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter by opening Run, type in the following command, press Enter, click Advanced, then check this checkbox, and then click Next to run the troubleshooter. Now this will find any problems with the hardware, and then will give you options how to fix it. And that's how to fix overscanning in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.